Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Voyager LX in bright white. With halogen headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, exterior mirrors with heating element, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 36,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, remote start system, single overhead DVD system, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7302.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance.